You are watching part 10 of the full series of interview questions on InfluxDB, a time series database. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. How can you optimize the performance of InfluxDB queries that involve multiple measurements? Discuss the impact of InfluxDB's tag cardinality cache on query performance. What is the role of the InfluxDB HTTP API, and how can it be utilized for data ingestion and querying? Explain the process of setting up high availability in InfluxDB and the benefits it provides. How does InfluxDB handle data backfilling, and what considerations should be taken into account? First question: how can you optimize the performance of InfluxDB queries that involve multiple measurements? Performance optimization for queries involving multiple measurements includes using appropriate indexes, minimizing the use of regular expressions, and leveraging Flux language capabilities for joining and filtering data across measurements. Efficient schema design and careful consideration of query patterns are essential for optimal performance. Second question: discuss the impact of InfluxDB's tag cardinality cache on query performance. The tag cardinality cache in InfluxDB helps improve query performance by caching tag cardinality information. This cache reduces the need to perform costly tag cardinality calculations during queries, resulting in faster response times, especially in scenarios with high cardinality and frequent tag lookups. Third question: what is the role of the InfluxDB HTTP API, and how can it be utilized for data ingestion and querying? The InfluxDB HTTP API allows users to interact with InfluxDB through HTTP requests. It can be utilized for data ingestion by sending POST requests with data points. Queries can be executed using HTTP GET requests. The API provides a flexible and accessible way to interact with InfluxDB programmatically. Next question: explain the process of setting up high availability in InfluxDB and the benefits it provides. High availability in InfluxDB is achieved by setting up a cluster with multiple nodes. The clustering provides redundancy, fault tolerance, and ensures data availability even in the event of node failures. Benefits include improved reliability, continuous data availability, and the ability to handle increased loads. Next question: how does InfluxDB handle data backfilling, and what considerations should be taken into account? Data backfilling involves inserting historical data into InfluxDB. Considerations include using the appropriate timestamp format, avoiding duplicate data points, and optimizing the process for efficient data insertion. Backfilling should be performed carefully to maintain data consistency and integrity. Quiz time. Let's see if you get it correct. Please post your answer in the comments section. Pause here to read and think over it. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here's the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. If you have any specific questions related to this topic, please mention it in the comments section and we will answer it for you. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews. We believe in turning interviews into milestones.